Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Eunice. I brought another gist for you guys. We fled from Nigeria to evade circumcision of our daughter. Couple facing deportation in Canada says. The Canadian government is set to deport a Nigerian family of 5 who claim they fled to the country out of fear that their daughter will be subjected to female genital mutilation. CBC reports that Rasheedat Bakare, her husband Hafiz, son Fahad, and their daughter Faida all fled Nigeria and arrived in Canada in 2017. The family's youngest daughter, Farhana, was born in Canada in 2018. However, they were denied refugee status on Thursday and were told to leave the country by 3 p.m. on Friday. Speaking to CBC, the wife said, "My children's life, my husband's life is at risk. We ran away because they wanted to circumcise my baby girl, the one I brought from Nigeria. When I got to Canada, I had another baby girl. Currently, I'm pregnant with another baby girl. Now I have 3 baby girls, and all their lives are going to be at risk." On Friday afternoon, after Rasheedat, who is approximately 5 months pregnant, collapsed and was rushed to the hospital, the government issued a temporary delay on the deportation order. Hafiz Bakare said he is not sure when he and his wife will be required to leave. He said, "I don't want my life and my family's life to be in danger. My wife is in a state where she is restless. She cannot do anything." Guys, let me know what you think about this. Is genital mutilation in Nigeria really a problem? What do you think about their deportation status? Let me know in your comment section below. Thank you.